What I was studying for wasn't what I wanted to do. And then I finally decided, let's do welding. I've always liked doing stuff with my hands and being able to see a result and being able to critique what I do.
My overall experience has been nothing but positive. I love the people, love the atmosphere. I love welding.
It was something that I already did back at home. I wanted to know more.
The program is set up for beginners.
You're here to learn, and we'll build you from the ground up. The opportunities with this program are really endless. You can go to machining, you can go to production welding, you can go to fabrication. We also have a welding club where we have different projects that we take on.
Doesn't even have to be students in the welding program. It can be students on the rest of campus, and it brings us all together.
Anything metal, a welder has touched it.
It's heard all over the trade, welders build America, and they really do.
If we didn't have welders in society, we wouldn't have made it to the moon.
Welding is 100% an art, and if you really want to put the time in to learn it, then it's very rewarding. It's laid back, but it's job oriented.
Every quarter is a little bit different, but we also have the opportunity to bring in our own personal projects. Our program prepares students by offering a quarter where you do your certifications. That opens so many more doors.
Professors in this program are fantastic, to say the least.
You know, our teacher's always super stoked. He'll come over, see what's up, offer his advice.
They always motivate me to do better. Giving up is not an option. My instructor introduced me to an internship, and now it's a great opportunity for me to start.
At the end of the day, when you're about to go home and actually see everything that you physically did, what you accomplished, the quality that you were able to do, and look at it and be like, yeah, that's what I did today.
I can say I built that. That right there, I welded on that.
That's where I get my fulfillment from. A lot of the times it's taking that first step. Don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone, try something different.
I love it, I enjoy every minute of it, and I'm continuing to be the best that I can be.